Hey there, future nurses. Today I'm going to share something that can transform the way you approach nursing practices, Lewin's force field theory of change. Developed by Kurt Lewin, a pioneer in social psychology, this theory dates back to the 1940s. Lewin's work focuses on understanding group dynamics, motivation, and the process of change. Let's dive right in. So what's the core idea of Lewin's force field theory? It's all about balance. According to Lewin, any situation is in a state of equilibrium due to two opposing sets of forces, driving forces and restraining forces. Driving forces push for change, they're the motivators. Restraining forces hold things back, they're the resistors. Change happens when the driving forces outweigh the restraining ones. Simple, right? Now let's talk about Lewin's 3 stages of change: unfreeze, change, and refreeze. First we have unfreeze. This is where you prepare for change by questioning the status quo and encouraging new perspectives. Next, we move to change, introducing and implementing new behaviors, attitudes, and processes. Finally, we reach refreeze, solidifying those new changes and making them part of everyday practice. How does this theory apply to nursing? Let's take a look. Suppose you're introducing a new hand hygiene protocol. Your driving forces might include evidence of its effectiveness in reducing infections. Your restraining forces could be staff resistance or lack of resources. By providing education and better resources, you can strengthen the driving forces and weaken the restraining ones. Nurse leaders can also use this model to guide organizational change. Whether it's implementing new policies, adopting technological innovations, or improving team communication, identifying and balancing these forces can make transitions smoother. Even in policy implementation, Lewin's theory is handy. By understanding the forces at play, nurses involved in health policy can develop strategies to support new policies and ensure they stick. But there are limitations to Lewin's model. Critics say it oversimplifies change and doesn't account for the emotional and psychological aspects. In the real world, especially in complex healthcare settings, change isn't always linear or predictable. Emotional responses like fear and anxiety can also play a big role. So while Lewin's force field theory is a valuable framework, it's important to be aware of its limitations. Use it as a guide, but remember to adapt and be flexible in your approach. In conclusion, Lewin's force field theory of change can be a powerful tool for understanding and managing change in nursing. It emphasizes the importance of balance and collective effort, and while it has its limitations, it offers a foundation upon which you can build more adaptive and emotionally intelligent strategies. Thanks for watching.